Hi again, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a re-review with the brand new camera of one of my favorite styles that I've reviewed so far in a different color. This is Kristen by Jon Renau in the color 12FS8, which is also known as shaded praline. And this color is very, very similar to Sparkling Champagne from the Envy line. So if you're a fan of either of those colors, they're pretty much interchangeable. Both colors have a very light brown base color, and it's easier to see it if you pick this up. And then the bottom here, very light brown, golden in tone. And then on top of that, you've got a medium golden blonde, so a very rich kind of buttery shade overall. And the root is a number 8, which is a medium golden brown. So it's got a really nice amount of contrast, and it's a very pretty rooted color. And it's also, by the way, my #1 best-selling blonde shade of any of the lines. I sell a ton of wigs in this color. It's a very, very popular blonde, so very, very pretty. And very nice if you don't want something that's too light, especially if you're looking for something that's rooted. Very, very good color. So, I think this is a great professional little bob. I also am of the opinion that wigs with permatease in the cap look great on big girls because they give you a little bit of height. This wig has permatease in the cap. Maybe not quite as much as a Noriko wig, but enough to give it a little bit of body, which will help give you a better proportion. Because when you're a big girl and you've got a lot going on down here, a little bit of height helps a lot to try to, you know, make your face shape more proportional. And this wig can be styled in a bunch of different ways. Now if I sweep this off to the side a little bit, you can see that the rooted shade is really playing in my favor because it doesn't cover, like this is my bio hair, it doesn't cover completely, and I mentioned that in the original review of this wig, but because it's rooted, that's awesome. And so now you can see why so many people intentionally buy wigs that have rooting. So I really, really like this. I love the color. I think it's a very, very beautiful cut. I'm going to turn to the side. I'm going to rattle off some stats while doing so. The sides are 7.5 inches long. The nape is 3.5, and I'll show you that when I get to the back. And the front here is quite long as well. The front is 7.75 inches, so that's that there. But the layer next to that around the face is substantially longer, and they don't provide a measurement for that. So maybe I should. Okay. It's about 12.5 inches, so it's a good length for framing out the face. And here is the back of Kristen. Very, very pretty wig. And I love this color, like I said. So now I'm going to go ahead and take Kristen off so you can get a look at the cap construction. So here is that lace front. It's very nice. Very well done. And the rest of the cap is a standard cap with a little bit of permatease in it. And the permatease in this cap is right here in the middle, kind of making almost like a T shape. And then the back is very stretchy. It does have soft felt at the back, as well as soft felt at the ear tabs. And it has a very, very tiny, tiny line of soft felt right here in front of that lace front too. So I'm going to go ahead and put Kristen back on so you can see how easy it is to wear her. I actually kept the Kristen in Shaded Peach from the original review. I actually really, really loved that wig in that color. I'm going to go ahead and change this part around so you can see what it looks like parted to the other side. Now I am using a wig-friendly brush. So just going to part that to the other side. So there you go. Very easy cut. I would definitely recommend either carrying a wig safe brush or a wide tooth comb in your purse with you, just in case you need to do what I just did, but it's not that difficult. And I noticed from my own experience with the one that I kept that you can very easily train this hair to stay over to the side. It just takes about a week of wear. And I would also recommend washing it once, right at the beginning, to help aid in that training process. So there you go. This is Kristen by Jon Renau. I wore mine for 3.5 months straight before it actually started to look it. So to me, that's a pretty good buy. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.